Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my first ever Boxycharm unboxing. So basically what Boxycharm is a subscription, and it's $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products from really amazing brands. And I'm going to be talking about the June box. This is my first time ever getting one, and I knew I had to get it because everything just looks so good. So I'm going to be doing a look on my face using the products. And so if you would like to see these products in action, please keep on watching. So the first products are actually these 3 masks. This one is for priming. This one is to help skin appear smooth, and this one is to enhance the natural glow. So in the box comes this paper, and it basically lists each product and it shows the price. So for the sheet mask, it says for 3 sheet masks it's $14.97. So that is like already a good deal because these are pretty pricey altogether. So I can't wait to try those out, and I'll let you know on my Instagram if I like them. I'll leave my Instagram down below. So the next product is this Real Her Playbook Shadow Palette. On the back it lists that it's paraben free, certified cruelty free, natural ingredients, vegan, long wearing, and sulfate free. So that's really good if you like to use cruelty-free products like me. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like, and so I'm going to be doing a look, just a simple look, just to see how the products test out. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is this shade, and I'm going to use it as a transition color. So now I'm going to take this black shade. I'm just going to put it in the outer corner. Pretty pigmented for a black. And I'm going to go back in with the blending brush. I'm going to go in with this shade. Ooh, these are pretty powdery. I'm going to put it all over my lid. It's pretty pigmented. Okay, you guys, so I did my other eye off camera, and I did my falsies, and I did like a wing. Okay, so for this palette, I actually really liked it. I was surprised at how much I liked it, but they were pretty powdery, but they were also pigmented as well. So I think that it's a really good palette for if you're a beginner or if you like neutral shades. I think this palette is perfect, and it retails for $28. So like I said, the whole $21 a month for 5 full products, and just this palette alone is $28 is such a good deal. So now the next product is this baby. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder by Angel Merino or Mac Daddy. This is in the shade Illuminati. And also another thing that is perfect is this Luxy brush. This is the Pro Precision Tapered brush, and this would go perfect with a highlighter. I'm going to take some on the brush. Actually go in with like a small blending brush because this does have a sifter. It's hard to like get product out. Let's see. Beach. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I love it. I think it's like perfect. So the Diamond Glow powder is $26.99 and the Luxy Beauty Brush is $24. Lastly, in the box is a Ofra liquid lipstick. I want to say this one is Santa Ana. Now I'm just going to apply it. It smells kind of like vanilla. Or like buttercream. This was one swipe, like what the heck? Okay, you guys, so I'm obsessed with this liquid lipstick. Like, I didn't even have to go back in. And it was just one application, one swipe, that's it. Like, this is like, do you see this? And it kind of matches my shirt. I don't ever do that on purpose. People think I do, and it's just always coincidental, so whatever. But yes, I've always wanted to try Ofra, and so now I feel like I'm gonna have to get a whole bunch. Like, thanks Boxycharm, thanks Ofra. And this liquid lipstick retails for $19.90. Once again, such a good deal. You know, you do the math. I suck at math. I don't have a calculator by me. But this is just so worth $21 a month, honestly. I'm definitely gonna be doing Boxycharm monthly because I'm obsessed. And the products that you get, like, this is probably the best subscription I've ever heard of. And not to bash the other ones, but this one is like amazing. So I'm also gonna list Boxycharm website down below, so you guys can subscribe also if you want to receive this Boxycharm, which I think is so worth it. If you're new to makeup and you don't really know what to buy, I think this kit is like perfect. You saw I created this look. Or if you just love makeup and you want to constantly buy like me, I think this is so worth it because you're getting your money's worth and more. So yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye. This is pretty pregnant. This is the Pro Precision Tapered. How come I can never say precision? This is the Pro Precision. This